understand the customer. Could you expand on that a little bit? Like, what do you mean understand the customer? How is going to help my listing?
Yeah, and this is such an important point. I think that whenever anyone starts an Amazon business, one of the key pieces of advice I give them is or questions I ask is how well do you understand your customer? What research have you done around truly understanding who your customer avatar is? Because it's one of those situations where the more information you have in, the better your decisions are that you make, right? And if you really truly understand your customer, what drives them, what do they love, what do they hate, what are their beliefs, what are they looking for in this product, the more opportunity you have to create images, benefit overlays, and copy that connect with that customer. And you know as much as I know that the click is really important, but the conversion and the conversion percentage is massive, right? So if I can really understand those relevant keywords that really connect with my audience, and then I have a listing that delivers on that, that's going to help me in the long term to really rank and scale my business. So, making sure that you do a simple thing like putting down on paper, who is my avatar? What do they love? What do they hate? What are their beliefs? What do they look like even? Are they male, female, whatever those things are? This is a really important point. Doing some research around that. We have a tool called the love-hate tool, interestingly. But basically that word clouds everything that customers or customers who like competitive products, what do they actually love about it from reviews, and what do they hate? So you can really quickly see what are the common themes around what people are really looking for in a product. And importantly, you can actually dive into the reviews and actually look at the detail on that. So it gives you insights into what should my listing have and what should I really focus on that might be that little spark for a customer to go, hey, you know what? This isn't the cheapest product here, but they've called out the right things and I'm gonna buy it. And that's what we want. We want customers to focus on the benefits rather than just the price. And I think it's a massively important point that you need to do before you even launch your product. You have to understand that customer.